Hello, welcome to how to solve this exponential equation. X to the power x times y to the power y is equal to 8x to the power y to the power x. First of all, we divide both sides by x to the power y times y to the power x. X to the power x divided by y to the power x times y to the power y divided by x to the power y is equal to 8x to the power y to the power x divided by x to the power y to the power x. Next, this x to the power y times y to the power x will be cancelled with this x to the power y to the power x, and here left x to the power x over y to the power x times y to the power y over x to the power y is equal to 8. Next, according to the law of exponents, a to the power n over b to the power n is equal to a over b to the whole power n. We can write this x to the power x over y to the power x as x over y to the whole power x times, and this y to the power y over x to the power y as y over x to the whole power y is equal to 8. Next, x over y to the whole power x times, according to the rule of exponents, a over b to the whole power n is equal to b over a to the whole power negative n. We can write this y over x to the whole power y as x over y to the whole power minus y is equal to 8. Next, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We can write this as x over y to the whole power x minus y is equal to, and this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Next, x over y to the whole power x minus y is equal to, this 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 over 1 to the whole power 3. Next, we compare base with base and exponent with exponent. At left side, base is x over y, and at right side the base is 2 over 1. So we write x over y is equal to 2 over 1, and at left side the exponent is x minus y, and at right side the exponent is 3. So we write this x minus y is equal to 3. X minus y is equal to 3. Now we solve this one. We solve it by cross multiplication. We multiply this 1 by this x and this 2 by this y. 1 times x is equal to 2 times y, 2y. Now we put this value of x, 2y, in this equation. 2y minus y is equal to 3. 2y minus 1y, y is equal to 3. So this is the value of y, and if we put this value of y in this equation, we can find the value of x. X is equal to 2 times value of y, 3. X is equal to 2 times 3, 6. This is the value of x. Now to verify that these values of x and y are correct or not, we put these values in the original equation. The original equation is x to the power x y to the power y is equal to 8 times x to the power y, y to the power x. In this equation, we put the value of x 6 and value of y 3. Like this, 3 to the power 3 times 6 to the power 6 is equal to 8 times 3 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 3. Next, 3 to the power 3 times this 6 can be written as 2 times 3 to the whole power 6 is equal to this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6 times, and this 6 can be written as 2 times 3 to the whole power this power 3. Next, 3 to the power 3 times, according to the rule of exponents, a times b to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. This power 6 becomes the power of this 2 and this 3. 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6 times, and this power 3 becomes the power of this 2 and this 3. 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3. Next, we write the same base with same base. 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3. Next, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We can write this 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 6 as 3 to the power 3 plus 6 times 2 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 6 plus 3 times 2 to the power 3 plus 3. 3 to the power 3 plus 6, 9 times 2 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 6 plus 3, 9 times 2 to the power 3 plus 3, 6. From here you can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that the values of x and y are correct.